Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today we'll be working on a fall wreath. I pretty much just threw some things in there, just trying to figure out the placement of it. But so far, how this is going, I like the idea of that. The top part, I'm going to leave blank, but this part, this bottom section here is what we're going to focus on because I'm going for like a minimalist kind of look, and I'll pop some inspo up on the screen.
I found a few different inspo pics. I don't want to duplicate them in its entirety. However, there is something unique about them that I pulled for inspo to create my own.
We have these leaves. I'm gonna take off like, what are these, like the acorns and like the leaves, of course, and just like place them throughout. But we shall see. That came from Hobby Lobby. These also came from Hobby Lobby. But in the store, I was in love with this little white part here, or beige part. But now I'm not so much. But the leaves, I like the size of these leaves and the color. So we're going to take all of those off and just glue them up on there. But so far, this is what we have.
So I just filled it in a little more with the leaves and added some of the dried florals as well as the artificial flowers. I love the grapevine material of this wreath, and I wanted that to like show through, so I didn't want to cover it up completely. I found this acrylic wreath hook, and initially I thought that it was a cool idea because I thought that it would be easier to camouflage, but it's not. So I'm thinking that I may go with a thicker ribbon to kind of just like cover that part up.